Can we find a spot on the train tracks? Do you see how I have train tracks set up around the room? Find your favorite spot on there.
All right.
I'm gonna stand with you.
Okay, let's start by just going on a walk around our train tracks, okay? And so we're going to do some things in this activity that's going to work on their locomotor skills, as well as, like I said, we're working on these concepts of up and down and high and low, and we're teaching them in a pair of opposites, because that seems to help with them grasping those concepts. So can we chug now? Can we chug slowly up the hill? Chug, chug, chug. Oh, Ariana, that's such good chugging. Can we chug really, really fast? We're going down a hill. Oh, good job, Will. You're chugging so fast. Okay, keep going.
Okay, well, don't pass people.
We're going slow up a hill. We're going slow. Good job. Going slow, Sophie. Here we go. Let's go fast. Train, train, train. We're chugging fast. Can anybody jump down the train? Can we jump down the train track? Might play again. You want to keep going? Here we go. You jumping? Let's go fast. Go fast. Yeah, I'll go with you. You're going really fast, Otto. I like how Will's tugging his arms like this. Excellent. All right, let's do one more time, slow. And we're gearing up. Let's go fast. Here we go. Here we go. All right, guys, we made it back to the station. And you know what? I think I hear Zane the train. Do you remember Zane the train?